Hello and welcome guys. In today's topic we are going to discuss about units and measurements. First of all हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि फिजिकल क्वांटिटी क्या होती है। फिजिकल क्वांटिटी एक ऐसी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी होती है जिसको हम मेज़र कर सकते हैं और एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर। फॉर एग्जांपल मास इज़ मेजर्ड इन किलोग्राम्स, लेंथ इज़ मेजर्ड इन मीटर्स, टाइम इज़ मेजर्ड इन सेकेंड्स, टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन्स, electric current in ampere, luminous intensity in candela, and amount of substance into moles. There are some other quantities, plane angle and solid angle, which are known as supplementary quantities. Okay, we have learned that what is a physical quantity. Now the question is, what is the need to measure a physical quantity? Let's take an example. We have a body. If we apply a force on a body, it will accelerate. But how much? In order to calculate acceleration, we must know about quantities, force and mass. तो जैसा कि आपने देखा, अगर हमें एक्सेलरेशन निकालनी है तो हमें फोर्स और मास की वैल्यू पता होनी चाहिए। अगर हमारे पास फोर्स और मास की वैल्यू नहीं है तो हम एक्सेलरेशन नहीं निकाल पाएंगे। Hence there is need to measure a physical quantity. Now we are going to learn about units and their types. The unit is a standard chosen to measure a physical quantity. For example, kilogram is chosen to measure mass. Meter is measured. So the kilogram is the standard or unit which is chosen to measure mass. There are two types of units: fundamental units and derived units. Fundamental units are those units which can neither be derived from another nor can be further resolved into any other units. For example, the mass, length and time. The second unit is derived units. The derived units are derived from the fundamental units. That's why these are called derived units. For example, speed. The formula of speed is distance over time. We can measure distance in meters and time in seconds. Meter is a unit of length, which is a fundamental unit, and second is a unit of time, which also is a fundamental unit. So we can write as derived units are those units which can be derived from the fundamental units. Now the next topic is system of units. A complete set of both the fundamental units and derived units is called a system of units. There are various types of system of units. Number 1. SI system. There are 7 basic and 2 supplementary quantities in SI system. Number 2 is CGS system. In this system, the units are centimeter, gram and seconds. Number 3 is FPS system. In this system, length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pounds, and time is measured in seconds. The next one is Mks system. The units of this system are meter, kilogram and second. At the majority of time we use SI system of units because this system of units is internationally accepted and all the units can be derived from these units.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.